CData Arc is a no-code B2B integration platform, perfect for automating transactions between retailers and suppliers or manufacturers. Arc provides a flexible workflow canvas and a set of tools that allow you to connect, integrate, and automate your enterprise data. As a retailer, you need a consistent flow of information with your external trading partners. Arc ensures that your EDI transactions with suppliers and manufacturers are automated to maximize your business efficiency and reduce risk. Arc also seamlessly integrates your external communications with your internal data ecosystem, including databases, enterprise applications, data warehouses, and more. To see how this works, let's take a look at one of Arc's free sample flows that focuses on EDI transactions relevant for retailers. Our sample flows are provided for free, along with a fully functional trial, so that you can hit the ground running with your own integration workflows. This flow generates an outbound inventory inquiry in the form of an 846 EDI message. The data for this request is being pulled from a backend system built on top of SQL Server, so that our backend processing determines when we send out these EDI 846s to our trading partners. The flow consists of several connectors that each perform a single operation before passing the data along to the next connector. So let's step through each connector in this flow. First, the SQL Server connector connects to our database using a few simple connection parameters, and then pulls down new and updated records for the items or products that we're interested in. Don't worry if you're using a different backend system than SQL Server, as this is just a single example. The data from our SQL Server database is modeled as XML, and then passed along to the XML map connector. This connector maps the SQL Server data into a structure more appropriate for an EDI file. Note that the XML map connector provides a visual drag-and-drop designer for mapping between SQL Server and EDI. All you need to do is drag the database columns from the left onto the corresponding EDI elements on the right. As you can see, our sample flows come prepackaged with a typical mapping already configured. After the data is mapped, it's passed along to the X12 connector, which translates the data into an actual EDI 846 file and applies the appropriate EDI message headers. Finally, our EDI file can now be passed along to the AS2 connector, which in this example is standing in for whichever file transfer approach you use to send data to your external partners. Each of these steps is fully automated, so that whenever new records appear in our backend, Arc can automatically process the data into EDI and send it out over a secure connection. In addition to being fully automated, each step in this process is designed to be easy to use and accessible to each of the data professionals in your organization. After all, B2B and database connections are established with just a few simple connection parameters. EDI translation is fully automatic, and XML mapping is a simple matter of dragging and dropping corresponding elements. Now, your full business use case may involve more EDI documents or different backend systems, but the same principles from our free sample flows are applicable to more complex use cases. Using our sample flows as a powerful starting point, you can easily build out your own custom workflows. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and as always, you can find more resources at arc.cdata.com.